Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to share with you how I record videos using PowerPoint. It is a very simple and easy way to record your videos. Let's begin. For Arabic viewers, I have tried to write instructions in Arabic. I hope it will be clear to you all. So you will open PowerPoint, you will open your presentation, click insert, first you will click insert, okay, this one, then you will find a screen recording option. When you will click screen recording option, you will find here select area. You select the area which you want to share with your students. Okay, as I have selected my whole screen, you can select only the space which you want to share with your students. So first step is to insert, click insert, second is screen recording, then select area. Okay, and don't forget to start record button. That will help you to record your voice. You can move through slides and move from slide to slide, explain the lesson. When you are finished, you can click the stop button. Okay, once it is done, a small video will be open in the same page in front of you. You can click on the right, you can do right click. Okay, it's not coming now, it will come to you, this option will come to you once you will click stop recording. Okay, once you stop, you will find a small video will open in front of you in the same page. You will click do right click, save media as. If you will not click save media as, and if you will close the video, it will not be saved. So make sure you will click save media as, save it in your desired destination where you have your files, and don't forget to pin this bar, otherwise it will lost. If it is invisible, you can simply scroll up and you will find it again. Okay, that's it. You can keep this simple, share it with your students. Hope this will make your work easier. Thank you very much.